Hi friends, I'm Dhirendra Gautam. I'm a business doctor and leadership coach. Today we will be discussing about why we should be proud to be an entrepreneur. I myself an entrepreneur, I'm a businessman and I'm proud of being an entrepreneur. In fact, being an entrepreneur is my lifestyle. In my day-to-day engagement with business people, professionals and the owners, whenever I interact with them, they keep on asking me कि sir, as an entrepreneur ये परेशानी है वो परेशानी है, मतलब they are somewhere struggling with their personal life, professional life, business life and managing and taking their business to the next level and managing it and improving it. So what is the root cause of that? And what I would like to explain here ki why being an entrepreneur is one of the greatest thing you can be or do to yourself. See, first of all, I say if you are an entrepreneur, you are the person having you can have a complete financial freedom. What I say in other words, if you want to earn money and become rich, there is no other option to become a businessman or to start your own business. अगर आप अपना business करेंगे, तभी आप you can have or you can earn a lot of money. So that is one thing. Second thing is like that, कि once you are a businessman, then only you are able to fulfill the dream of others also. Say, let's understand with an example. Suppose you are a businessman and you have started your business and you employ some people in your organization. So as an entrepreneur, you are not only earning the business or money or a reputation or a success for yourself, but you are able to provide the employment opportunity for the big number of people in your country or the place you operate with. So it is a very big work, or it is a very, very big kind of favor or help, or you can say you are adding value to the building of the nation by creating the employment opportunity for the people. So this is itself one of the biggest reason that you should be proud of being an entrepreneur. So first thing is that being an entrepreneur, you are able to become rich, you are able to earn a lot of money. Second thing is like that, being an entrepreneur, you are able to add value into the people's life. When people work in your organization or people's work in your organization, you are not only helping them to earn their earning for their livelihood or for their livelihood, but you got an opportunity to make those people a wonderful people in your society. Being a leader, being a businessman, you have a big influence on the people who work with you. So you have an opportunity that you can guide them, you can train them, you can lead with an example, and you can make them a very successful and satisfied human beings. So this is a very big contribution to the society and to the mankind. You can do it from your level. The third and foremost thing which I say that you should be proud of being an entrepreneur, like that, because of you and because of your payment of taxation, all the business people who earn money, they pay a lot of tax to the government, and so you are earning money for yourself, you are earning money for your employees, you are paying them, and because of your employment, they are able to manage their family, their kids, their education, their healthcare, their growth, and they are transforming themselves to upgrade their lifestyle and growing in their own family and the society they live in. The third major thing, by paying the taxes to the government, the amount of tax you pay to the government works because of the tax paid by the people of the taxpayer of the country. And business peoples are the major contributor of the tax which is paid to the government. So all the government works, whether it is a defense, society, healthcare, rural upliftment, education, any kind of work, all the government work is depending upon the tax amount paid by you business people. So indirectly I can say, because of the tax money paid by the taxpayer, which is majorly contributed by the business owner and entrepreneur, this government is able to run. If you are not able to pay the tax, government cannot sustain and they cannot do any activity for the people and for their country. So directly or indirectly, you are the cause, you are the purpose, you are helping out the country as a whole to run and manage because of your contribution, financial contribution or tax contribution to the society. So there cannot be a bigger cause, there cannot be a bigger reason than this 2-3 reason that why everybody should not become an entrepreneur, or a person who is having the capability, or if you are a person you are thinking with to becoming an entrepreneur or becoming a businessman, you should be immediately able to decide. Once see what I was trying to give you a perspective, like what makes you to become a successful and a satisfied business owner and entrepreneur. Business ownership and entrepreneurship is not about a struggling, is not about running behind the money. It is all about creating a purpose in the life. In one of my earlier videos, I have shared about how to find out your purpose and goal and discover your life. You can refer that videos and you can see that. But when you are able to find out your life and purpose and goal in your life, you create a wonderful organization which you call a business, or whatever name you give it to that, an organization or a team of people or a body of individual or whatever you do. So you create a wonderful team and create the wonderful product and services for the humankind and society. And that is where you are helping not only to the people you interact with, but directly or indirectly to the whole nation where you live and the society you belong to, by paying the government and taxation. So friends, I'm proud entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship is being a lifestyle. I enjoy being an entrepreneur. I'm happy to be an entrepreneur. And I always say the people that there cannot be a better service or better justification of life in this world in 21st century by becoming an entrepreneur. So you become an entrepreneur, and if while becoming entrepreneur you are having any difficulties or any challenges you are facing with, you can always log into our website dhirendragautam.com and you will be able to find out a lot of answers. Or you can interact with my team members, they will be able to introduce to me and I will be able to help you out. Hope you have enjoyed this, and share these videos with your friends and families or your loved one, and you like it and you comment it on that, whether you want to have something more to learn and understand. I will be able to share some more videos and thoughts and my wisdom for the help of the human mankind. Thank you very much.